Hero, I've seen Sir Topham Hatt. He knows you're the master of the railway. You're going to be sent to the Sodor Steamworks, not the smelter's yard.
Right! The next day, Thomas and Percy heaved and hauled Hero to the Sodor Steamworks. Sir Topham Hatt was waiting.
Welcome, Hero. It's a pleasure to meet you after so long.
Thank you, sir. I thank you very much. And I thank you for Thomas.
Thomas did his best. Victor will make sure that you will soon be master of the railway once more.
Of course, sir. Anything for you. I will do my very, very best.
Don't worry, Hero. Victor is the best.
A few days later, all the engines went to see Hero. He puffed forward slowly. The engines gasped. Hero looked wonderful, as good as new.
How do you feel, Hero?
Very happy, Thomas. I never thought this day would come.
Job done, Victor. Welcome back, master of the railway.
Thank you, sir.
Now, Thomas, go and get that Spencer out of the mud.
Here I am, Spencer. I've come to help you.
You can't help me, Thomas. You're not strong enough.
You're right, Spencer. But I have just the engine who can help.
Who are you? I am Hero. Are you the scrap engine?
I was the scrap engine.
Blistering boilers.
Spencer, it's time to get you out of the mud.
Hero shunned to the right place. With a mighty heave and haul, Hero pulled Spencer towards the Sodor Steamworks. When Spencer was fixed, he joined Hero and Thomas. Together, the three engines worked on the summer house. They huffed and puffed their hardest.
Thomas, I'm sorry I thought you were a tricky engine. And Hero, I'm sorry I called you a heap of scrap. You're both fine engines and fine friends.
Just then, the Duke and Duchess arrived for their holiday. They were delighted with their new summer house. That night, Thomas and Hero were resting. Their axles ached and their wheels were weary. Thomas saw that Hero was sad.
What's the matter, Hero?
You have been very kind, Thomas. The best friend I could ever have. But I want to go home.
I understand, Hero. I can help you. Wait here.
And before Hero could puff master of the railway, Thomas had chuffed away.
Sir, I need your help. I know you will understand. Hero wants to go home. He hasn't been home for a very long time, and he misses his friends and his island.
I understand, Thomas. You did well to ask me. Of course I will help you. Tell Hero not to worry.
A few days later, all the engines were at Brendam Docks. They were very excited.
Here he comes, Thomas! Right, everyone. 1, 2, 3...
All the engines whistled. Then there was one long and low whistle. It was Hero. Hero chuffed slowly up the track. and stopped by Thomas and Percy.
It's time for you to go home, Hero.
It is, Thomas. I will never ever forget what you did for me. I will never forget you.
Perhaps I can visit you. Or perhaps you could come back and visit us one day.
Maybe, Percy.
Sodor will always be your home too, Hero.
I know, Thomas.